He puts on his shoes quietly, faithfully, not because someone is watching, not for glory, not for applause, just because it's what he does. He walks to the tree to tend what others pass by. There's no audience, no reward waiting at the end. Only the quiet satisfaction of doing what matters, even when it's unseen. Each step he takes is a quiet declaration. I'm here. I'm willing. I will carry this. Love doesn't always shout, it often whispers, through simple, repeated faithfulness. And when he finally lays down to rest, it's not defeat. It's not exhaustion without meaning. It's the sacred pause of a heart that gave everything it had, without asking for anything in return. Heaven sees, heaven remembers, and heaven honors the ones no one else notices.